How to fix Instagram saved audio not showing easily and fast. First thing you have to do, guys, is open the settings on your phone, open the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode right here. After you enable it, then you have to disable it again after a few seconds like this. And then go back and open the wireless again, go to the Wi-Fi and disable the Wi-Fi. Go back to the settings, open the apps manager, go to apps, and then you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll all the way down until you find the Instagram and click on it. When you click on Instagram, now click on the first stop option right here and then click on notifications, disable the notifications and enable them. Go back, open the power usage details, click on app launch and then enable the manage automatically, click OK, and now turn on the Wi-Fi again and reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe.